like this. So if you didn't have these, you would just tie them together and twist them to get this if you don't have these little plastic things. But this just makes it so much easier because then you just kind of assemble them there. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to create a couple more of those quads. Here are the balloons that I've blown up so far. I definitely need to blow up a little bit more. So I'm going to be working on that, and then I'm going to start putting it together. Oh, and the reason I'm making this is tomorrow we are celebrating a coworker's anniversary. It's like her wedding anniversary, and she does a lot for the team, so we wanted to do something special for her. And so yeah, I volunteered myself to make a balloon display. So here are some of the balloons already on the arch. I just slid the middle part of the plastic connector through the poles to start assembling. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like I have 4 quads. So I probably need to make maybe like 8 more sets of quads. I don't know. We'll see. So let's do this. So here is the final balloon arch. I'm happy with how it came out, and I'll add a clip when it is all set up at the party. So I hope you enjoyed this follow along with me DIY balloon arch, and I'll see you in my next video.